Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the bargain bead box for October of 2025 called Midnight Menagerie Collection. It says shadowy hues and nocturnal creatures combined in this fun yet elegant set. Pendants include a charmed celestial cat, a bat set, a golden sheen obsidian, and a faceted black obsidian teardrop. Gemstones in dark, moody colors mesh with sparkling crystals and silver findings to create an October twist on this classic black and silver palette. So this, just so you know, I have a coupon code for Bargain Bead Box. It's BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The boxes are $24.99 a month, and they're valued at over $60. This one is valued at $90.29. So you cannot beat that. I did do a little peek when Lauren from Bargain Bead Box did the sneak peek October boxing. Oh, and I was like so excited. This is a really cool box. I don't know if you guys are familiar with ACOTAR, A Corner of Thorn and Roses and A Corner of Mist and Fury by, I forgot her name. I'm reading the second book right now. My daughter and my sister are obsessed with it. But when I saw all of these like colors and everything, I was saying these are like the perfect colors for that book series, the Night Court and Spring Court and all that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you've read that book or not. I'm on the second book, and yeah, it's just really cool. Wow. Oh, how cool. Really excited for this box. When I saw Lauren unboxing the pieces, oh, look at that. I mentioned that in the comments and she liked it. Oh, look at the bads. Oh, how cool. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting off with a 26 by 46 millimeter brass and golden sheen obsidian bat pendant, and this retails for $5.99. Oh, that's really cool. This is like so right up. I mean, it's more like dragons and all that, but the wings and all that stuff with the book. So that's really cool. I have some markets coming up this weekend and next weekend. I'm going to have to make some stuff so I can bring it there. Okay, number 2 is a 31 by 27. Oh, I can't get this open. 31 by 27 millimeter antique silver cat and moon pendant with glass. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, is that really pretty? Oh, look at the little kitty. I miss my kitty since my son and his girlfriend moved out. They have 2 cats. Oh, that is really pretty. And number 3 is a 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter golden sheen obsidian round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, these are really pretty. You can see them up close. I'm looking in the camera so I can make sure you guys are getting a good view of these. Oh, look at that. And a few of them are kind of clear. Very pretty. And number 4 is a 7.5 inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter golden sheen obsidian faceted rondelle beads. Oh, and these are pretty too. Look at the sparkle on these. You can use these to make a bracelet. You could just do a strand. Very pretty. And number 5 is a 15 inch strand of 6 millimeter black agate dyed heated round beads. If you're $6.99. Oh, look at that. Make sure, I'm trying to bring it up closer to the camera so you can see everything. Look at all of those. Very pretty. Love all the striations in those beads there. Really beautiful. Okay. And number 6 is 8 by 6 millimeter Malaysia Jade dyed quartz rondo beads in October Nights. Oh, look at these. If you can see, there's kind of like it's like a bluish purple to them. Look at that sheen in there. Wow. See if I put it in the white doesn't really do much, but wow. These are beautiful. Okay, and number 7 is 6 pieces of 13 by 10 millimeter black onyx dyed heated barrel beads. Oh, here we go. How pretty those are. They're so shiny too. And these look so much fun. Number 8 is 10 pieces of 10 millimeter agate dyed heated striped Z beads. Look at these. Let me put them in here so you guys can see them better. Look at all these, how pretty they are. Each one's just a little bit different. Okay, and number 9 is a 16-inch strand 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondo beads in moon shadow mix. Ooh, okay. Look at that. This is a nice long strand too. Wow. Look at all those beauties. Such a gorgeous box. So much fun. I don't know if you saw my last month. I did 3 tutorials for last month's box. Okay, so number 10 is 9.5-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal English cut round beads in black vitriol. Oh, hello. If you can see those. Wow, these are really pretty. God, the sparkle is off the charts. Okay, and number 11 is 20 pieces of 7.5 by 11 millimeter crystal faceted chevron barrel beads in black vitriol. Oh, these are pretty. Let's see if I can... Look at these. Wow. Just a few in there. Look at that stripe on there, that zigzag. So pretty. Oh, what a fun box this month. Make some very elaborate jewelry with this. Okay, and number 12 is Midnight Moonlight set, 1 boho bead and 2 glowing lampwork beads for $3.99. Oh, hello. So let's look at each one. This is the first one. Look at how cool that is. It's definitely a funky bead. And then there's this one. And then there's this one. Oh, how fun. Look at that. Those are going to be, you can use those to make pendants. I love getting those big beads and doing that. Okay, number 13 is 2 pieces of 22 by 19 millimeter enamel cat and crescent moon pendants. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Anybody that is a cat lover is going to love this. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, we used to have a black cat. Her name was Coda. My husband named her after the Led Zeppelin album. We loved her so much. She passed away. Okay, number 14 is 2 pieces of 23 by 19 millimeter enamel bat donut pendant. Oh, this is really cool. And this is the back. These would be, I mean, you could just do drop earrings with this. You could even dangle something in the middle there. That would be kind of cool too. These are really cool. Okay. And next, number 15, 4 pieces of 20 by 56 millimeter filigree bat connector charms. Oh. Okay. So wait, so let me see. I can't tell if there's a front and a back. This almost looks like that would be the back, but they look kind of both look the same. Look at that. That's really funky. So that's one side. That looks okay, that looks like maybe that's the front. I can't tell if there's a front and back with these. But you get 4 of them. How cool are these? And number 16 is 10 grams of 5.5 times 2 corrugated spacer beads. They always give us some nice spacer beads. And then I got a piece of metal in there. So that's them. Nice. Okay. And number 17 is 10 grams of 6 by 7 millimeter dotted bead caps. Let me grab one, I'll put it in my finger. That's what it looks like. Pretty. They got that little witchy theme that's going on this month. And number 18 is 2 pieces of 21 by 34 millimeter classic twisted toggle clasps. These are pretty. A lot of times I use these as pendants. It just depends what I'm doing. But yeah, these are pretty. Okay. Number 19 is 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter hypoallergenic stainless steel cable jewelry chain. And I use this a lot. I always have extra on here, and I use this when I make my bracelets or necklaces. If I do an extender chain, I like using their chain for this. This is pretty. Got a nice pretty cut to it. And then number 20 is 24 by 13 millimeter obsidian faceted teardrop pendant. That's pretty. It looks the same on both sides. Yes, very pretty. And number 21 is a 7-inch strand of 4 millimeter cat's eye glass faceted round beads in light peach. Oh, these are pretty. faceted beads are so pretty because of the way they're cut. They're not round. They're round, but they're faceted. They have like a sharp edge to them. And so that's what gives them such sparkle. Wow. I will say this box is beautiful this month. I cannot wait to create with this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below in the description to the bargain bead box as well as the coupon code. So if you want to go check out their website, they also sell a lot of beads that aren't in the monthly bags too. So that are a great deal. So you can find a little bit of everything on their website. And I will also leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest. I do sell my jewelry that I make, most of it on Etsy, so you can find that link below as well. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much, and have a great day.